Welcome to our channel Vital Signs. Subscribe and stay tuned for insightful content that empowers you to take charge of your well-being. Let's journey together towards a healthier future. Ageless beauty awaits. Discover the miracles of retinol. Hey there, lovely viewers. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got a topic that's going to revolutionize your skincare routine: retinol. If you're wondering what retinol is and how it can transform your skin, you're in for a treat. In this video, we'll delve into the world of retinol, understanding what it is, and uncovering 10 incredible benefits that will make you want to incorporate it into your skincare routine. So, without further ado, let's jump right in. What exactly is retinol? Well, retinol is a form of vitamin A that's often used in skincare products. It's like a superhero for your skin, working tirelessly to combat various skin concerns. 10 benefits of retinol. Benefit 1. Smoother skin. First up, smoother skin. Retinol helps accelerate skin cell turnover, revealing fresher, younger-looking skin. Say goodbye to dullness. Benefit 2. Reduced wrinkles. Who doesn't want to turn back the clock on wrinkles? Retinol stimulates collagen production, which means fewer fine lines and wrinkles. Your future self will thank you. Benefit 3. Improved skin texture. Wave goodbye to rough skin texture. Retinol helps to refine and smoothen your skin's texture, leaving it as soft as a baby's cheek. Benefit 4. Banished acne. Struggling with acne? Say no more. Retinol is known to unclog pores, prevent breakouts, and even fade acne scars. Benefit 5. Even skin tone. Say farewell to uneven skin tone and pesky dark spots. Retinol works wonders in lightening those spots, giving you a more even and radiant complexion. Benefit 6. Minimized pores. Tired of your pores stealing the show? Retinol can help reduce their appearance, giving you the flawless look you've always wanted. Benefit 7. Youthful glow. Get ready to shine with a youthful glow. Retinol enhances skin radiance, making you look like you just stepped out of a spa treatment. Benefit 8. Firmness and elasticity. Firmer, bouncier skin. Retinol improves skin's elasticity, giving you that coveted firmness that's bound to turn heads. Benefit 9. Sun damage repair. Sun damage? Not a problem anymore. Retinol aids in repairing sun-damaged skin, reversing the effects of those UV rays. Benefit 10. Confidence booster. And last but not least, retinol is a true confidence booster. When your skin looks and feels amazing, you're bound to walk taller and shine brighter. And there you have it, the incredible world of retinol and its 10 amazing benefits. Incorporating retinol into your skincare routine might just be the game changer you've been searching for. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more skincare gems. Until next time, stay beautiful and keep glowing. Stay tuned for more exciting content, and we'll catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching.